Hi, this is Vincent, and in this video I'm going to review Topaz DeNoise AI, which is a noise reduction software for photography. And I'm going to use a extreme example of a night sky or photography of the Milky Way. And the main thing I want to point out first is the high ISO 20,000, as well as the exposure time of 30 seconds right here. And I'm going to pull this image into DeNoise AI right now, and let me just zoom out to fit it into the window. And just to give some background on the photo, it was taken in Lake Moraine, Banff National Park in Canada, and the reason for the high exposure time or the high ISO is because there was a lot of haze or smoke just due to wildfires in the area. Anyways, going into the image, on the left side I have the original, or what the image should look like after it's rendered, and on the right side is the preview, which is updating. One thing I should mention is that DeNoise AI, it is a GPU intensive or CPU intensive if you don't have a GPU. I have tried this on a MacBook without a GPU, and it's not practical, so I don't recommend using it without a GPU. Right now it's on my iMac, which does have a dedicated GPU. And I'm going to zoom back in to, let's say, 200%. And here you can see the image on the left side has a lot of luminance noise as well as chroma noise or color noise. And here's the right side, or the preview, and you just got to make sure the preview is updated and it's rendered. And now I'm going to fix up this photo a little bit more. And DeNoise AI, it has 3 AI modes, so and they're called DeNoise AI, AI Clear, and Low Light. But in my scenario, or in my case, I'm going to choose AI Clear, which is good for high ISO and high ISO images. So I'm going to click on AI Clear, and usually I'll just select Auto to use this, and DeNoise AI will render or select the best options. So on the right side you can see the image has significantly improved, and most of the noise has been removed, and there's barely any color noise. You can see a little bit of color here, or patterns, but for the most part, if you zoom out of this photo and look at it from a fit view, like it's improved significantly. You may not be able to see it from your screen, but I can definitely see it on mine. One thing, as I mentioned, this is an extreme case of high ISO and high noise. I just wanted to give you an example of it, and I can definitely recover detail if I wanted from the original image. Let me zoom back in, but keep in mind a lot of the foreground of the mountain did not have much detail just because it was dark. I'm more worried about the galactic center here, or the Milky Way, what most people refer to it as. And once you're done rendering or selecting the best options to reduce the noise, you can just click on Save Image, and then you'll have the options to save it the way you want. Keep in mind it does work as a Lightroom plugin as well, so that's pretty good if you do a lot of color grading or soft proofing in Lightroom. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good one.